Okay, in this video, I want to show you how to add a call script to a campaign. And you can have any number of call scripts in your system. These are forms that your agents will see when they're on a call and allow them to submit specific details. So in this case, I'm going to just go over in the campaign settings over to the call script. And you'll see here, you've got the option to add a URL, to enable or disable it, and then to save it. So in order to do that, I'm going to pop over Podio. So this is a Podio, app which we install for you. This is a demo, a template, and you can customize this however you want. But the key thing to be able to add it in as a call script is you have to do two things. So essentially, you need to do this anytime you create an app that you want to be a form embedded in a smrtDialer that your agents can fill in. You're going to create the app properly. You've got to make sure it's linked to where your cold calling list is going to be. So if I quickly go to modify template, you should see smrtDialer lead. You see how it's going to cold calling list number 1? That's because that's where my leads are in this case. And that's perfect. Now, the second part is you need to enable it as a web form. You can, if you've never used Podio web forms before, you can obviously adjust. This is pure demo stuff. You can adjust all these things inside of the app. You can adjust the instructions. You can change the questions, add, subtract, change the heading company information, etc. And you can even choose which of the fields that you want to show to your agent, making sure that you always keep that smrtDialer one, the one that leads back to your cold calling list, so that we can link appropriately. You can change the title and all these things. You can see this is all demo info. And critically, up here in allowed domains, you need to type phone.smrt.studio and add it. This needs to be done because essentially what Podio is going to do is it's going to check, do I have authorization to put this web form here? Because if not, it's not going to do it, because otherwise people could just copy web forms and put them anywhere. So you need to authorize that domain. And this is a critical step that you need to do. Once you've done that, you can save it and you can grab the URL here, right click and copy it, head back over to smrtDialer, and I can paste it right here. I'm going to enable it, and you can see it's enabled, and save call strip. Successfully configured, and we're done. So that's a really important part of this, because it allows you to have any amount of call scripts, different forms you want your agents to fill in, depending on the type of calling they're doing, and automatically pop up when the agent is making a call.